Okay, what is the area of the circle centered at O here, and inside the square, PQRS? Well, this is how I looked at this, and somebody else solved it a different way, and that's totally cool. But this is the way I did this. I looked at this as if I looked at this triangle, because I know that this piece down here is the diameter of this circle, and I know I have a square. So what I did was this. It's square, so this side, if this side is x, this side is also x. So using Pythagorean theorem, we have x squared plus x squared is equal to, and they give us this distance here as 5, right? They say that PR is 5. It's equal to 5 squared. So we have 2x squared is equal to 25, isn't it? I'm going to divide both sides. I'm just going to do some algebra to divide both sides by 2 and get x squared is equal to 25 over 2. Still just doing algebra here. Going to take the square root of this whole thing. And when I do that, we're going to get that x is equal to, well, the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 2 is the square root of 2. So, that gives us that. Now, it seems like we're in really good shape, and we almost are. But what we have here is diameter. And remember that diameter is equal to 2 radius, right? So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take this value for diameter, and I'm going to say that 5 square roots of 2, plugging in this, is equal to 2 times radius. See, now I'm going to solve this one for radius. And I'm going to get that. I'm going to divide both sides by 2, so I'm going to get 5 over 2 square roots of 2 is equal to the radius. Now, finally, we're almost done here, aren't we? Thank God. We know that the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, isn't it? So pi r squared. So here's our r right here. So we're going to get area of our circle is pi. I'm going to put the pi on this, put pi out here for now if you don't mind, is equal to radius, which is 2 square roots of 2 over 2 square roots of 2 squared, right? Alright, 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. The square root of 2 squared, the square root of 2 squared is 2, isn't it? So we have, and then remember we had pi here, pi. So when we simplify it, the area of our circle is equal to 25/8 times pi. Wow. Okay, I hope that was really helpful and that you got something from it. I used algebra and I used a little bit of geometry, used that Pythagorean theorem to get the answer. If you have another way to do it, let me know. And your comments are always welcome. Please subscribe.